Hey guys, I'm the 50s kid. This is an E46 BMW, and one of the things that goes wrong on all cars of this age is your hood struts will go bad. Usually one will go bad, and then your hood won't slam down all the time, but when you least expect it, boom, it just slams on you, and that can be really dangerous. So you want to replace them. So that's what we're going to do in this video. So let's get started. So these are actually real easy to get on. To get them off, you're going to actually have to remove these locks. You can see there's just this little collar right here. All you need is a little flathead screwdriver. You just kind of got to get up under it, just kind of lift it up a little. And you see how there are those two slots on the top? Hopefully we can see that on either side. So the thing just sort of just kind of moves up there. I'm just going to cheat slightly and kind of get it started. But you see, all you have to do is kind of pry it up and move it sort of upwards. And that sort of gets it out of the way. When it's down in position, it's down like that, and those little fingers sort of lock over things. But if you just move them up, move it up on the top, move it up on the bottom, you can pop the old one out and pop the new one in. You don't have to move them aside for popping it in. You can leave them in place. So let's do that. So I'm just going to proceed to get these up and moving. You kind of have to pull the little clip out a little bit, and then you can sort of start moving up. You can pull it out completely if you want to. This one sort of wants to already move out, but something like that basically. The bottom one, it'll be difficult to see, but just got to do the same thing. Sort of pry it out, pry it down a little. Just get it a little down. Now, you just want to have your new strut ready. You might want to have like a long screwdriver just to kind of help you pop that bottom one off, because it's kind of hard to see. What we're going to do with one hand, just hold the hood up, reach down, pop that off, pop it off here, put the new one on. Remember, the strut extends downward, so you just got to do it like that. Pop it on there, pop it on the ball down there, and that's it. It's as easy as that. So we'll just go and do the other side. So again, kind of the same deal. Yeah, I can see that this one is the bad one because it's actually leaking. So yeah, I can tell. Basically, I knew this was bad because I actually have this like light that I put up on the thing. It kind of, I'll show you in a second, this Milwaukee light that I have that kind of attaches to the hood. And sometimes when I would have that thing on, boop, the hood would just fall randomly. It's kind of dangerous. So that's why I'm doing this. See, in this case, this clip kind of came up all the way off. So again, we'll just hold the hood up. We'll pop this bottom one out first. Nice and easy. Top one out. Again, hood strut extends downward. Kind of get it on down there. Get it on there. That's it. So yeah, there we go. You can see how it's got the goo on the outside of it, the grease, and there's a little right there. So this was the bad one. It was all leaking. And this was that light that I was talking about. You know, it just kind of hooks onto the hood. And so yeah, it was just kind of pulling the thing down at random. So yeah, now nice and good. So big thank you to OEMBimmerparts.com for providing the parts for this video. Check them out if you want to get your set. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more. I'm the 50s Kid. Thanks a lot for watching.